Hi, wanted to share with you how you can really benefit from all of those cases that your support teams are solving. There's a lot of gold in here. There is information about the challenges that customers are having. How did your support help them solve? And a number of times these cases exist because they are pointing to something that your knowledge articles may not have documented yet. Let's take a look. So I'm here and I have a bunch of prompts. I'm going to use this one, which is to generate KB article based on resolved cases. And when I hit run, it's going to pull all this information, send it to your LLM because GPTfy is bring your own model. You don't need Data Cloud or Agentforce or anything else for this. You can just use GPTfy, which is an AppExchange security approved product, and send all this information to your LLM. We have a native masking layer. So if there are any masking configured, we will retain that PII on your Salesforce org, send it. It goes there along with the prompt, comes back, and it has generated a basic article. This is all based on the information in the case comments, or anything else, emails, whatever you want to. So now I have the basis of an article. And GPTfy offers you a prompt action framework where you can essentially open up the entry form of a Salesforce new record and pre-fill all of these fields and go from there. And when you have that enabled for a particular prompt, we automatically get this new button here for opening the form. I'm going to click this one and it pops up the create a knowledge record, which is what is configured for this prompt. So again, completely declaratively. Now what GPTfy has done is it has populated this new knowledge article form. This may be your standard knowledge article form, or it may be something else. And what you can see here is I have all the information, the summary of what this specific error is about. It's also automatically identified a title. It has figured out what the article type is, and you can change these things if you want. This is really what the LLM just suggested. And then it has all of the description of the statement of the problem, what it was, and here is the resolution. And I can make additional changes if I wanted to. In this case, I'm just going to hit save and save it. And the idea is that someone who's responsible for this can then look at this article and make changes. So there you go. I have a knowledge article automatically generated. It has a bunch of information and the status of it is still a draft, right? So we have the ability to make changes to it, let it go through our process for creating new knowledge articles and publish it when ready. This approach from a GPTfy perspective where it is 100% declarative, and you can do this for any object in Salesforce with GPTfy. So if you have opportunity and a lot of comments and you want to use all of that to generate out an RFP or some other type of a record that you may have in your Salesforce org, you can do that declaratively. You can have a prompt run, basically identify a bunch of things and then use them to populate a record of your choice. Again, GPTfy is bring your own models, so you can connect it with Claude, with OpenAI on Azure, on Amazon Web Services, on Google Gemini, or Llama or something. You can also connect it with Cohere or other such AI models if you're using them on-prem. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.